up, guys, and welcome to another edition of the Market Rider Show. Beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to the Market Rider Show, the investment channel helps you to find best deals in the market. So let's jump into it. So, be giving you some of the top stocks that I think everybody should be watching. So let's jump into the list. First on here, we have ticker sign ZNGA. So they are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is slightly below moving average 10, but looks like it may jump back up when the market opens back up. So bear in mind, this is from the perspective of when the market is closed. The market will be back open on a Monday morning, so just bear that in mind. Price may be different depending on when you watch the video. All right, so that a week high of $8.56, ending the week at 8.51, and then going down to 8.47. So down 4 cents in the after hours. But going to be looking to see if they can retest that 8.56 for next week. So that's going to be my price target for them, $8.56 for ZNGA. Next, we have ticker sign CLOV. This is for Clover Health. They are part of the meme stocks. So one of the stocks that appeared on Wall Street Bets. They did have a bottom of $7.41. Ended the week at $7.75. For next week, they will have to retest $7.91 and $8.19. So those are two price targets that I'm going to be looking at for them, which are the moving average 100 and the moving average 50. So moving average 50 is this yellow line. Moving average 100 is this purple line. So going to be looking to see if they can retest $7.91 and $8.19. Next on here, we have ticker sign SSY. They did have a high this week of $3.33, so that was a nice little spike for them. They did fall down after that, bouncing off the moving average 100. Overall, they are still bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10, so positive on both of those indicators. They did end the week at $2.62, then going down 18 cents to end at 2.44. 244 is very close to this moving average 100 line, and moving average 50 are kind of converging around $2.42. So going to be looking to see how they perform when the market opens. If they continue this bearish downward trend and then go past the moving average 50 and 100, $2.20 is going to be a next price target to look for on a bearish downward trend. But if they continue to go up and bounce off the moving average 100, then I'll be looking at $2.87 for my first price target, and then to see if they could retest $3.33. So that's ticker sign SSY. Next, we have ticker sign RIDE. This is for Lordstown Motors. They are an EV company. So definitely, if you want to get into EV stocks, this is an affordable solution. Unlike getting into Tesla or some of the other names that may be a little pricier, Lordstown Motor is a EV company. So they did bottom out at $4.77, but then rallied back up towards the end of trading. They ended at $5.23 and then had a 5-cent increase after hours and at 5.28. So overall, looking bullish on Lordstown Motor. Ticker sign RIDE. They will have to retest $5.35. So that's going to be a key price target that I'm going to be looking at for ticker sign RIDE. Going back in the chart even more, $6.36 may be an even further out target price to look for them. So $6.36 and $5.35. Next, we have ticker sign GOVX, which is for GeoVax Labs. They went up to $7.50 last week. Overall, still looking bullish on them, moving average 10 above 50 and 100. They did fall down from that level and then kind of bounced from this 5.38 level. They ended the week at 5.71. They went down 6 cents in at 5.65. So overall, they will have to go back and retest this $6.45 level, which is the VWAP 14. Then $7.50. So next week I'm going to be looking to see if they can retest $6.45, which is the current VWAP 14 line. Alright, so just bear in mind, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to invest or not to invest into any of these stocks. Make sure you do your own due diligence when looking at stocks. They are very risky, especially the ones that are on the cheaper side. So just make sure you do your own due diligence after you watch the video. Next, we have ticker sign HEXO. They did have a bottom of $2.29, so looking bearish on them. They did go down quite a bit towards the end of the week. Had a nice little rally after hours of 8 cents to end at 2.40 for the week, but they will have to go retest $3.34 and $3.10, which is the moving average 100 and the moving average 50. So this also is from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. You do not have to sign up for Webull in order to use their charts. Just press the trade option or trade button at the top when you go to Webull.com. The chart that I have set up here, if you want to set up a chart like this, I'm using the VWAP 14, moving average 10, 50, and 100, and the 30-minute interval. Those will all be located in this indicator tab right here, and then you can just click on the interval for 30 minutes. Next, we have ticker sign TME. They are bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10, so maybe another rally taking place with this one for next week. They did bottom out at $7.04 for a low for last week. So overall, still bearish on the name. They will have to go retest $8.65 and $7.61. So $7.61 is going to be a price target that I'm looking for next week. Then if they can break through that, then I'm going to be looking at $8.65. So they did end after hours at 7:42, so still going to be looking at 7:61 for a potential bullish confirmation. Next, we have Wish, another one of the meme stocks. They are bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. They did bottom out last week at $6.15. They have since rallied up since then, trying to test this moving average 50 line. They will have to go retest the 50 line, which is at $6.71. Then price target that I'm going to have for them is $7.49. So $6.62 is where they ended the week. But going to be looking to see if they can retest $7.49 and $6.71. Next up, we have ticker sign SENS for Sensonics. They are bullish. Moving average 10 is above 50 and 100. They did have a week high of $3.52, so that's going to be on price target for them to see if they can break through that 352 resistance. They did end at 349 for the week, so had a nice little 1 cent increase in the after hour, so that's nice. But they are on a bullish upward trajectory. Chart looking real nice on this one, but 352 is going to be on price target for them. And it seems to be, a pretty high value. If we zoom in on the chart, it's kind of a pretty good level for them. Next level we'll look at is probably going to be 375 after that 352 level. So after 352, they're going to be looking to see if they can break through 375. So next on here, we have ticker sign BBIG. They had a low of $2.16, and then immediately rallied back up, broke through the 50 and 100 moving average lines, and had a high of $2.88. So they did fall down after that, going down to $2.57 where they ended the week. So we're going to be looking to see if they can retest this $2.70 level and then retest $2.88. So $2.70 and $2.88 for ticker sign BBIG. And lastly on here, we have ticker sign MRNN. They are bullish, but barely. Moving average 10 is barely above 50 and 100. VWAP is above moving average 10, so it's pretty confident on them. VWAP looking really nice. They did have a bottom of 710, but they did break through the moving average 50 and 100 to start a bullish upward trend. They ended the week at $5.49. They went down 5 cents after hours to end at $5.44. So $6.08 is going to be a target price I'm going to have for them to see if they can retest that high of $6.08. So drop a comment down below. Tell me what stocks you guys are looking at for the week. Which one do you think out of this list has the most potential to go up? If there's another stock that you would like me to go over, make sure you drop the ticker sign down below in the comment section. And while you're down there, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm put the videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.